Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best GoPro Karma is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about drones in recent memory, promising a unique blend of portability, ease of use, and GoPro's signature action-ready design, all while aiming to capture breathtaking aerial footage like never before. Number 5. GoPro Hero 7 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the ultimate action camera designed for your wildest adventures. Capture stunning footage with its advanced features. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Its hyper-smooth stabilization technology delivers incredibly smooth videos, just like a professional gimbal would. Record mesmerizing time-lapse videos as you move. Speed up your recordings up to 30x to create shareable, dynamic moments. Share your experiences live as they happen. Stream in 720p to social media with smooth stabilization, and save your footage for later. This camera is built tough and waterproof up to 33 feet without needing a housing. It's ready to go wherever your adventures take you. Capture brilliant photos effortlessly. It intelligently optimizes your shots with HDR, tone mapping, and noise reduction for perfect results every time. Record breathtaking 4K 60 video and capture high-quality 12MP photos. Relive your most awesome moments in stunning clarity. What we like. If you need incredibly smooth footage without extra gear, this is your pick. Its hyper-smooth stabilization is a game-changer for action shots. Consider this if you're looking for a rugged, waterproof camera that can also broadcast your adventures live. What people say. The hyper-smooth setting is genuinely impressive. Even going down rough, rocky trails on a mountain, the footage is shockingly smooth. The Superphoto HDR setting in photo mode also works shockingly well. I've been pleasantly surprised with the images it produces in the linear FOV with Superphoto turned on. The mic picked up my voice well, without having too much other noise, and stabilization is really good even paddling through boat wake. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, your ultimate companion for capturing life's most thrilling moments. It's built to withstand any adventure you throw at it. Record breathtaking video in up to 5K resolution. This ensures incredible detail, even when you zoom in, making your footage look professional. Take crisp, clear photos with 20MP clarity. Its Superphoto feature automatically enhances your images, so you always get the best shot. Easily frame your shots and control your camera with the new, larger rear touchscreen and the vibrant front display. It makes capturing content simpler than ever. Stream your adventures live in 1080p to social media. Plus, it doubles as a webcam, offering advanced stabilization for clear broadcasts. Experience the smoothest footage yet with our most advanced video stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky recordings, even in the most dynamic situations. Record mesmerizing time-lapse videos as you move. Capture the essence of your journey, whether you're on the road or exploring on foot. What we like. For those who demand the highest video quality and flexibility, this camera excels. The 5K resolution offers incredible detail for zooming and cropping. If you're a serious vlogger or filmmaker who wants a front-facing screen for easy framing and top-tier stabilization, this is the one. What people say. The Karma drone is incredibly easy to fly, even for beginners. The Karma Grip Stabilizer is fantastic for smooth, steady footage. The Karma drone folds up compactly for easy transport. Number 3. HOHEM iSteady Pro 4 3-Axis Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the HOHEM iSteady Pro 4, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed to elevate your action camera footage. Experience unparalleled smoothness, even during the most dynamic activities. Our innovative quick-release clip design allows you to mount and unmount your action camera in a single step. Spend less time setting up and more time capturing incredible moments. Take full command with the HOHEM Gimbal app, acting as your remote control. Adjust parameters, explore various operating modes, and even create stunning time-lapse with ease, all via Bluetooth. Don't let splashes hold you back. With IPX4 water resistance, this stabilizer protects against water spray, allowing you to film in various conditions. Plus, enjoy up to 14 hours of continuous shooting on a single charge. This gimbal is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including the latest GoPro models. It also features a standard 1/4 screw hole for easy attachment to tripods and other accessories. The advanced 5.0 iSteady stabilization technology ensures your videos are always hyper-smooth, no matter how much you move. It's perfect for running, riding, vlogging, and capturing those unforgettable holiday memories. What we like. If you already have an action camera but struggle with shaky footage, this accessory is for you. Its advanced 3-axis stabilization will transform your videos. Choose this if you need hassle-free mounting and extended shooting times for dynamic shots. What people say. The Karma drone is incredibly easy to fly, even for beginners. The Karma grip provides incredibly stable footage, even when you're moving around a lot. The Karma drone folds down into a compact case, making it easy to transport. Number 2. GoPro MAX 360 camera. Introducing the GoPro MAX, the ultimate tool for creative freedom. It seamlessly transitions between traditional video and photo capture, and immersive 360 footage, offering unparalleled versatility. Experience incredibly smooth footage thanks to MAX Hypersmooth stabilization. It uses an expansive 180-degree capture to act as the ultimate buffer, ensuring your shots are always steady. Share your adventures as they happen with 1080p live streaming. You can broadcast directly to social media with incredible stabilization and save your footage for later viewing. Achieve a professional, cinematic look with horizon leveling. This feature keeps your shots smooth and level, even during the most dynamic action sequences. Capture breathtaking panoramic photos without the hassle. PowerPano allows you to take incredible 270-degree shots with a level horizon, all in a single click. Hear the world like never before with premium 360 audio. 6 built-in microphones capture true-to-life sound, delivering the best stereo audio experience from a GoPro. Get the perfect shot every time with 4 versatile digital lenses. Choose from narrow, linear, wide, and the ultra-wide max superview to capture any scene. What we like. This camera offers unparalleled creative freedom, allowing you to capture everything. If you want to shoot immersive 360 content or traditional videos with amazing stabilization, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for storytellers who want to offer multiple perspectives in one device. What people say. Great-looking 360 footage and stabilization. The beta GoPro Windows software worked flawlessly in converting the 360 footage to ProRes on a Dell laptop. The 360 footage looks good and is easy to edit from a mobile device. Number 1. TELESIN camera mount for action cams and phones. Introducing a versatile mount designed for your action camera or phone. Its robust construction ensures stable footage, even during intense activities like riding. Achieve the perfect angle with its dual ball head design, offering a full 360-degree rotation. The secure clamping mechanism stays put, no matter how long you're on the move. This mount fits a wide range of diameters, from handlebars to railings and even tree trunks. Use it on almost any tube or surface within its size range. Connect extension rods or selfie sticks to capture wider scenes and unique angles. It allows you to get shots you never thought possible, almost like a drone's perspective. It's designed to work with most action cameras, wearable cameras, and even smartphones. Capture all your adventures with this essential accessory. What we like. For mounting your action camera in almost any situation, this clamp is incredibly versatile. Its dual ball head allows for precise positioning, and the wide clamping range means it can attach to many surfaces. If you need a stable and adaptable mount for bikes, railings, or tubes, this is a solid option. What people say. The Karma drone is incredibly stable and easy to fly, even for beginners. The Karma grip provides smooth, gimbal-stabilized footage that looks professional. The modular design allows for easy repairs and upgrades, extending the drone's lifespan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.